I could eat this smoked salmon recipe pretty much every day of my life. It's simple, it's delicious, and today I'm showing you exactly how to make it. I'm Darren with Ash Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Look, I love smoked salmon. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. Today, I'm showing you a very quick recipe. There's no brining. We're seasoning it up. We're making a beautiful, delicious glaze for this to finish it off. It's gonna be fantastic. Come on in, let's get this prepped up right now. All right, you can see we have a beautiful piece of salmon right here. I wish it was wild caught salmon. Unfortunately, it's not. I only have 2 fillets of those left, and I saved those for crispy skin salmon. So this is store-bought. We're gonna season it up right now. The first rub we're coming in with is Sucklebuster's SPG. It's just gonna add that really nice salt, pepper, garlic coarseness to the outside. We're not gonna be going super heavy. We're using 2 rubs today. I like to let the flavor of the salmon kind of speak for itself. I really enjoy salmon. If you're not a big salmon person, but you want to give this a try, feel free to season it up a little bit heavier. The next rub we're coming in with is my honey chipotle. Look, I honestly didn't test this rub on salmon when I first made it. A buddy of mine did, shout out B Woods Barbecue, and he said it was amazing. So I actually threw some on a piece of salmon I threw in the air fryer for a quick dinner one night, and it is amazing. So we're gonna use a little bit of that just for some nice color and some nice smoky flavor. That'll help from the pellet grill as well. And yes, we're doing this on the pellet grill today. I'm showing you a very simple recipe. You can knock this out for a weeknight dinner if you want. Then I'm just gonna get this all pressed in like so. All right. There is our beautiful piece of salmon, all seasoned up. I'm gonna set this in front of me here, and we're gonna get to work on creating this beautiful glaze. The nice thing about this glaze is if you have a oven-proof or grill-proof pot like this cast iron from Lodge here, you can just assemble it all at once, and then you don't have to worry about it. So I have 3 tablespoons of butter going in. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon of sriracha, just for a little heat in there. It's gonna make everything really good. I also have 6 cloves of garlic that I ran through a garlic press. Probably could use 4. These were huge chunks of garlic, but you know what? I love garlic, and I like to keep the vampires away. And finally, I have some honey. This is a 1/2 cup. I don't know if I'm gonna use it all. Actually, yes, I am. So we have a 1/2 cup of honey going in. Just gonna scrape out all the last bit of that honey. Beautiful. All right, so this is gonna be our delicious glaze that we're gonna paint on the salmon towards the end. This is gonna go on the smoker with the salmon, so this nice glaze is going to get a little infused as well. So like I said, this is very simple. We're gonna get the salmon on, we're gonna get this glaze on, the salmon's gonna smoke, the glaze is gonna smoke, the butter's gonna melt, everything's gonna heat up. Towards the end, we're gonna glaze this salmon up. It's gonna be so, so good. Let's get out to the Z-Grill 700 D3 right now. All right, guys, we're out here at the Z-Grill 700 D3. You can see I transferred the salmon to a wire rack on a cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil, strictly so I don't have this glaze running all over my cooker and I don't have the salmon getting stuck to the grate. So little tip, I would do that. I sprayed that down with Pam, like I said. So Z-Grill 700 D3 is fired up to 225 degrees. If you remember last week's video, we had a snowstorm coming. That snowstorm did hit. We ended up with, I don't know, 8 to 12 inches of snow, not near as much as what they said we were gonna get. It was -3 on Monday night. Today it's supposed to be 63, tomorrow 78. So weather in Minnesota is wild, but hey, spring has gotta sprung by now. Anyways, I wanna give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is Z-Grills. Whether it's low and slow or hot and fast, I can count on my Z-Grill 700 D3 to do a great job. If you're interested in checking them out, I'll have a link down below. Feel free to look into all the models they have because they have some great ones, and rumors are they might even have some other ones coming out later on this year, so keep your eyes peeled. Let's get the salmon on the smoker right now. All right, so we're gonna get our salmon on the smoker here, and all I'm gonna do is just pop this dead center, let it rock at 225 degrees. We're gonna get our sauce on as well, Just get it set right there. We're just gonna let this thing get a smoke bath for about an hour before we even check on it. I want this sauce to start melting. Now I do prefer my pan-seared salmon a little more medium rare. Smoked salmon I find to be a little bit more forgiving, especially if you brine it, you can take it to a little more well done. But I think an hour on this and we check it, we'll be all right. I'm not overly concerned about it. I'm looking for like 140 to 145. So let's get this shut down and get this cooking. All right, so it's been about 50 minutes since we put the salmon on the smoker, and I just checked the temperature. We're sitting at 105 degrees, so we probably have about 30 to 45 minutes. Our glaze has melted down nicely, so at this point I want to get the first coating of glaze put on. I'm going to do this probably every 15 minutes now until it's done. So let's get this glazed up. I'm just gonna mix this up and I'm just gonna drizzle it all over the salmon. I don't wanna brush it because the rub has set up there nicely, so I don't want to brush off any of the rub. So we're just gonna kinda let it drizzle. If some of that garlic falls on there, that is a-okay. Maybe just dab it a little bit here, but this is gonna be amazing and just add incredible flavor to this salmon. And as soon as this glaze hits that salmon, the smell from the garlic and everything else is just fantastic. I'm gonna brush some of this garlic off here just a little bit. And that is looking amazing right there. Oh, it smells so good. All right, one more little pass here. And that is looking fantastic. I'm gonna get this shut down, and like I said, I'm just gonna come out and glaze it every 15 minutes. I'm not gonna bring you back every time. In fact, the next time you see this, it'll be coming off the smoker. See you then. All right, so it has been 2 hours, and I am pretty sure that this salmon is about done. Let's take a quick temp read on here. Yeah, we are sitting at about 140 degrees. That is where I want it. I'm just gonna hit it with one more dose of this beautiful, delicious glaze, and check out how good that looks. Just instantly shines it up. This is gonna be flavor packed and absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna hit it like that. We're gonna get this off, get it into the house, let it rest for about 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna try it. I can't wait. We'll see you then. All right, and here is our beautiful, smoky, glazed salmon. Check out how incredible that looks. The glaze on there, the shine, everything looks fantastic. Let's see if it's nice and flaky. Oh, you know it is. Look at the moisture in this thing. Check that out. Beautifully moist, great color. That is going to be a fantastic bite. 2 hours on this cook, looks amazing. Let's try this right now. All right, it is time to try this salmon. Before we jump in and try this, I just wanna say thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Your support really means a lot. And I hope you make this. I haven't even tried it yet, but I can tell you just the smell coming out of here is fantastic. Smoky, you definitely get a smell of that soy sauce, the glaze from the honey. Everything on here is just screaming delicious. So let's try this. I have no words. This is a fantastic salmon recipe. Nice and flaky, tender as can be. Can't even get it on my fork. Look at that. Beautiful. So much moisture in there. This is one of the best smoked salmon recipes I've ever had. The best part about this recipe is we didn't have to brine the salmon overnight, wait for the pellicle to form and everything else. So you could get this done a lot quicker. You don't have to cook it at 225. You can cook it at 250, 275, 300. If you want to grill it, do that. Just glaze it up as you're going. But you have to give this a try. You can definitely do this on a weeknight. I haven't eaten all day. I've just been drinking coffee, so I'm a little shaky right now. So this is definitely hitting the spot. Absolutely amazing. Guys, make this. Come back. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you again so much for the support. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.